today I'm doing a collab with Falon over on Moss Family TV, and I did this collab with Falon last year and I really enjoyed it, and the ladies really made some good recipes, so I can't wait to see what all the ladies are making this year. And I'm making cheesy enchilada chicken soup, and I think this is going to be a real good fall recipe, and I think a lot of people's going to like it, and I know I am because I really love Mexican food. So the Moss Family TV channel is just a great channel to watch. I just really enjoy watching their family. I love the recipes that Falon makes, and Manly just steals your heart away every time you watch him, and Jonah's just adorable, and Audrey, and the boys are just hard working young men. And they're just a wonderful TV channel, and I really enjoy watching them, and I just can't wait to see what Falon's making this year. So let me get started on my recipe. I'm using half of a red bell pepper, a half of a green bell pepper, and half of an onion, and I'm going to be using this green part of these green onions for garnish. So let me get started on this. Okay, I have my red and green bell peppers diced up and my onions, and I'm going to be sauteing them for about 5 minutes in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have my onions and bell peppers sauteing, and they really smell wonderful. When I get through sauteing these, I'm going to be shredding up my chicken. Okay, my vegetables have finished sauteing, and so now I'm going to be adding in my can of enchilada sauce. Now I'm going to be adding in my cream cheese, and I'm going to let this melt. So you just keep stirring it until it gets all melted. One of the good things about participating in Fall Fridays, or anytime we do a recipe, is getting to eat it. And it's important that your cream cheese is at room temperature. It helps it melt a lot easier. Melted. So now I'm going to add my other ingredients. I'm going to be adding my black beans, The recipe calls for diced tomatoes, but I'm going to be using rotel tomatoes with mild chilies. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to be adding a cup of frozen corn.
Marie, I can't see how it looks from over here, but it sure does smell good.
Yes, it does. It's got a lot of nice color to it too. It really looks like a fall dish. Okay. Now then, I'm going to be adding my chicken broth. I'm going to be adding about a cup of it. And now I'm going to be adding my 2 cups of chicken. You can either boil this, but I baked mine and put salt and black pepper on it and paprika. And this is about 2 cups. You can also use a rotisserie chicken if you want to. And I just used 2 chicken breasts that I had. Okay, and so you let this cook for about 15 minutes. Your soup looks like it's a little bit too thick. You can add just a little bit more chicken broth. Okay, the soup has been cooking for 15 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You want to cook it till it just gets hot. So now I'm going to serve us up a bowl. So now I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on it. Okay. And some tortilla strips. And I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. This soup really does smell good, and it's really colorful. It looks just like fall. And I can't wait to take a bite of it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. I know that I'm going to in a little while. Alright, I'm going to give it a taste test. Those flavors are really good. I think everyone's going to like this recipe. I know you will, Kevin, because you're like me, you like Mexican food.
I do, and it looks great. I can't wait to get my bowl.
I hope everyone likes this, and do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great weekend. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be